Recipe: chocolate sugar cakes. Total time: 1 hour 35 minutes. This recipe yields 13 cookies. An historically inspired recipe takes the classic sugar cake, a buttery, short dough cookie of the 18th century, and adds chocolate with warm spicy flavors for the best taste ever. Ingredients: 2½ cups flour, 1 cup butter, 1 cup brown sugar, 1/4 cup rose water, 1/2 cup finely grated baking chocolate, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon mace, 1/2 teaspoon salt. Now for the preparation. Step 1. Creaming the ingredients. In a tabletop mixer, cream the butter and sugar together until smooth. Add the rose water, finely grated baking chocolate, and mace to the butter-sugar mixture. Stir the ingredients together until well combined. Step 2. Mixing the dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, mix the flour, salt, and baking powder together. Gradually add the flour mixture into the creamed ingredients bowl. Mix or stir until the dough comes together and forms a cohesive mixture. Step 3. Chilling the dough. Transfer the dough onto a sheet of parchment paper. Use a spatula to shape the dough into a log that is about 2 to 2½ inches thick. Wrap the parchment paper around the dough log and refrigerate it for 1 hour. This step helps the dough firm up for easier slicing. Step 4. Baking the chocolate sugar cakes. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit 175 degrees Celsius. Remove the chilled dough log from the refrigerator. Unwrap the dough and cut it into 1/2 inch thick rounds. Place the dough rounds on a pre-greased sheet tray, leaving some space between them for expansion. Bake the cookies in the preheated oven for 16 to 20 minutes, or until they are golden around the edges. Once baked, remove the tray from the oven and let the cookies cool on the tray for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Enjoy your delicious chocolate sugar cakes with a historical twist.